I just picked up this cool tiny flashlight. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have this little tiny flashlight because you never know when you're going to need a little light, and you're probably going to need it at the most inopportune moments, and you probably won't have a flashlight. And if you're lucky and you're in your house, maybe you have one there, but when you're on the road trying to fix a car, trying to find something between the seats, well, you might not be able to do it. So I picked this up. It's by ThruNite, and it is a tiny little flashlight. It's the Outsider Ti2. Now, it actually comes in two different colors, but I thought this one was kind of the more interesting of them. It's an anodized aluminum in green, so it's very cool, kind of camouflage. Can you even see it? So as you can see, it's only maybe a couple inches long here. It's very light, but has really nice construction. You can see it has a little tiny lanyard hole at the back molded in. If I look in the box here, we get a little tiny keychain ring, so you can run it through there, put it on your keychain. I just might do that. And then you can screw off the top here. Nice little O-ring there. As you might expect, it's always excellent ThruNite construction, and a little LED emitter right there. And then all you have to add is a AAA battery right in there, and then you screw the head down. Now, I will say there is no switch on this because of its tiny size. Basically, what you're just going to do is you're going to tighten the head of the flashlight down, and then you are going to tighten it all the way down to turn it on, and then just loosen it up a little bit to turn it off. Now, the O-ring is quite a ways up the flashlight, so it's going to stay waterproof no matter what. But what you will have here is a little tiny flashlight that puts out 120 lumens, and that can be very, very helpful. So let's load a battery and try it out. All right, out here in the dark with my little pocket flashlight, and I'm just going to go ahead and twist it one-handed here. Boom. So look how little this is and how much light it puts out. As I'm walking around here, walk up to this tree. Obviously, that is illuminated like it is the main feature in a Broadway show. So is this good for just exploring what's in front of you? Sure, absolutely. But you can also see pretty far out there too. So I think having something like this on your keychain so that it's with you when you need it will make your life a little bit better. And the best thing about this is that this little keychain flashlight was only $4. Can you believe that? So if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.